CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.5 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tools. Diskpart. The diskpart command is a command line utility used to manage disk partitions on a computer. To put it another way, the diskpart command lets you create, delete, and modify disk partitions. Think of it as a powerful tool that helps you organize and manage your computer storage. With diskpart, you can resize partitions, assign drive letters, and format volumes, among other tasks. This command is especially useful for system administrators and advanced users who need to perform complex disk management operations. Now, this may be a bit beyond the scope of the CompTIA A Core 2 exam, but I think it would be fun to dive into an example to see how diskpart works. Suppose you want to create a new disk partition on a hard drive or volume. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Open the command prompt with administrative privileges and start by typing the command, diskpart. Step 2. Once diskpart is running, you will want to list all the disks to identify the one you want to work with. This is accomplished by typing list disk. Step 3. Select the disk where you want to create the new partition. Suppose it's disk 1. Then you would type select disk 1. Step 4. Create a new primary partition. To do this, type create partition primary. Step 5. List the partitions to confirm your new partition has been created. This requires the command list partition. Step 6. Format the new partition to prepare it for use. The new partition needs a file system. To format a file system, use the command format fs equals ntfs quick. And the partition will be given an NTFS file system. Step 7. Assign a drive letter to the new partition. I think we will use the letter T in this example. Therefore the command here will be assign letter equals T. Now, the new partition is ready to use and will appear with the drive letter T. The diskpart command is invaluable for managing disk partitions. It provides detailed control for setting up new disks, resizing partitions, and preparing drives for various operating systems. In capable hands, it is also useful for troubleshooting storage issues, optimizing disk usage, and managing complex disk configurations. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.